Railways. Railways are one of the most important modes of land transportation. They are very important for the economic development of a region. Generally, all railways belong to the government. They are also very useful for transportation of goods and passengers over long distances. Advantages of railways. Railways are much faster and cheaper than roads over long distances. They are ideal for transporting heavy and bulky goods. Railways help in the development of industries and trade. Traveling by train is very comfortable. Disadvantages of railways. Railways are not flexible, so they cannot provide door-to-door service. The construction charges of railways are very high. In mountainous areas, it is difficult to construct railways. They cannot run without the help of feeder or connecting roads. In Maharashtra, railways can be divided as suburban and long distance. Suburban railways can be further divided into local, metro, and monorail. In hilly areas, mini trains run on narrow gauge tracks and they are very useful. For example, Neral to Matheran. Mumbai. An introduction. Mumbai is the headquarters of Central and Western Railways. Mumbai is connected to almost all the major cities of India. In Maharashtra, railways are not equally distributed due to its geography. For example, Sahyadri mountain ranges do not have a railway network due to steep slopes. Following are the main railway routes of Maharashtra. 1. Mumbai to Kolkata. 2. Mumbai to Chennai. Other routes connect these two main routes. 3. Mumbai to Goa, Konkan Railway. 4. Mumbai to New Delhi, Western Railway. 5. Pune, Miraj, Bengaluru. Mostly these railway lines follow river valleys. In the east, Gadchiroli does not have railway lines because it is thickly forested. Mumbai Metropolitan. Mumbai metropolitan region has a very high density of population. That is why local trains are absolutely necessary here. Mumbai region has developed local railway network, that is Western, Central and Harbour. All suburbs of Mumbai and Mumbai metropolitan regions are well connected to Mumbai by these local trains. They are very efficient. Pune also has local trains running from Pune city to Lonavala. Metro trains and monorails are also under construction so that pressure on roads would decline. These rails will be mostly underground or elevated. This is quite a brief on the land transport.